Hey guys, today we're making an easy banana coffee cake with pecans. And we need bananas, of course. Simply going to take a fork and just smash these up. And we're going to measure us off 1 cup.
Seems brighter now than before.
And as you can see, those 2 bananas was perfect to get us our 1 cup. We're going to put our easy coffee cake together. I have our butter. To that, I'm going to add my sugar. Once our butter and sugar is nice and fluffy, we're going to add our eggs one at a time. Okay, we are all done with the mixer. We're going to do the remaining of this by hand. Quick little recap. We added our butter and our sugar until it was nice and fluffy, and we mixed that with our hand mixer. We then beat in 2 eggs until they was fully incorporated. And this is our mixture that we have. So now we have our sour cream. To our sour cream, we're going to add our baking soda. Our baking soda. We'll mix these 2 together. And we're going to add this to our mixture. We're going to stir in our mashed bananas. We're going to take our flour and our baking powder. And we're going to add those 2 together. We're just going to add that to our mixture and mix well. Okay, we're going to add some vanilla extract, and this is some of my homemade vanilla extract. I made this earlier up in the year, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description box down below. But we're going to go ahead and measure us off some of that wonderful vanilla extract. We're going to put just a little bit more than what the recipe calls for. Today I will be baking in this disposable type pan, and I am not sure am I supposed to spray it or not, but I'm going to give it a light spray with some baking spray. Just going to coat it ever so lightly with some of this baking spray. I don't think it'll hurt anything. And I have a cookie sheet that I'm resting it on.
sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel it.
Gonna give it a gentle shake. We're gonna set it to the side here. I'm gonna add a topping to my coffee cake this morning. So I have 1 cup of chopped pecans here. We have some turbinado sugar. And if you don't have this turbinado sugar, you can add brown sugar. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to take this mixture and we're going to sprinkle it all around on our coffee cake. Can you say good? It does smell good. So with your turbinado sugar, you're going to get more of a crunch. How beautiful is that? Okay, we're going to get this into our 350 degrees oven and it's going to bake for about 45 minutes. Guys, it has been 45 minutes and this is our banana coffee cake. I have a wooden skewer here. I'm going to go ahead and test it out and make sure it comes out clean. And it does. I always check in several areas to make sure that it comes out clean. This is our coffee cake. Easy banana coffee cake with pecans. We're going to let this cool for a little bit and we're going to cut into it. Guys, take a look at our coffee cake. Look, I don't have my camera set up perfectly, but I'm going to go ahead and get into this coffee cake for you all so you all can see. It is so moist. Okay, it's my coffee. So we're going to go ahead and cut us a slice.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die.
Oh, wow. Look at there. That little extra crunch on top, to me, it screams fall. I love it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Then I'm going to see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Mercy.